Hello friends, once again welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to repeat the audio track. If that is external, then how to repeat that. Suppose our video it is of short time and our audio it is shorter than video. But what we want to play that audio track throughout the video. So how to go for that? It's very simple. So let's see that practically. Let's create a new project here. Let's drag some video files. Let's insert one audio file here. Now we can see here the total time taken by these three videos. It is 6 minutes 37 seconds. Whereas this our audio track, it is only 1 minute and 50 seconds. But what we want to play this audio track from this video to this video. Then this audio track it would not be sufficient. So how to play this audio track from this first video till the end of this video? So for that nothing more we have to do here, just click right and we can see here duplicate. We can either make duplicate or loop this audio. As you make loop this audio, then it is just playing from this beginning of this video to end of this video. We can see here it has been extended from here to here. Now if I click play button, we can see here now that audio track it keeps on playing until the video is over or it is not finished. So this is how we can repeat the audio track. This is how we can repeat the audio track again and again, and nothing more uh, we have to do here. It's very simple to understand, and it's very simple to uh, use this audio track again and again with our given videos. If the total time of video is uh, longer than audio track, then thank you guys once again for your time. Uh, in next video, we'll see something more about this video editor. Until then, take care, goodbye, and stay positive.